Everyone.
Morning.
Good morning. Today we are gonna presentation our work about preserving the environmental resources. Uh, Let me introduce myself. My name is Alexander Edi Putra.
My name is Muhammad Ferdinand Sabidi.
My name is Satika Swamustara.
My name is Daniel Sumantro.
I will start this presentation with the title Preserving the Environmental Rivers Water. In relation to environmental water, the Kupang River is one of the river flowing through Pekalongan Sepik that receives waste from food industry, agriculture, and domestic industry. Industrial and residential development along the Kupang River has impacted the river water quality. The baseline in air quality is increased by change in water, fall, and water. But some residents along the riverbank still use the Kupang River's air for their daily needs. This study aims to analyze the water quality of the Kupang River based on river water quality standard according of Government Regulation Number 82 of 2001. Calculation the pollutant load of the Kupang River determine its water quality status and recommend water quality management effort. Coming to
Okay, let's move to another topic. Classification versus river water. In general, rivers is caused by chemicals that are not properly oversight before they discarded into rivers. Examples of industrial rivers that pollutant rivers are liquid waste from tofu production, liquid rivers from crushing production, and agricultural waste from excessive practicing in agriculture. When exposed to rainwater can be carried into rivers and pollute river waters. Turn into
Okay, everyone. I'm gonna presentation about example. So factories practice use mining activities. Impact change era introduce elemental toxics, accumulation in organism, and examples-nya mercury, lead arsenic, nitrates, phosphates, detergent, and biological waste-nya included pathogens and biological contaminants that pose a risk to human health. And extra point, why factories are a problem for our river? Because these are untreated or purely treated wastewater containing pollutant like heavy metal, toxic chemicals, and organic waste which can poison aquatic life and contaminate water supply. And why pesticides are used are for a problem for our river because they can contaminate water source through runoff and leaching, harming wildlife by being toxic and causing development issues. Number 3, mining activities why are a problem for our river because in case water pollution from heavy metal and processing chemicals creating exclusive sedimentation and alters the river physical structure. So now, go back to the presentation. Short untreated wastewater, livestock runoff, hospital waste, impact waterborne disease, eutrophication, ecosystem balance, examples bacteria, E. coli, virus, protozoa, virus. And the extra point, why the untreated waste are a problem for our rivers? Because it dissolve oxygen, harm aquatic livestock, the introduction of pollutant and excess with nitrogen and causes a risk to human health. Why eutrophication are the problem for our rivers too? Because it leads to excessive algae, plant growth, which develops certificate in the water, harms and water class and can produce toxins. Why ecosystem imbalance are the problem for our rivers? Because lead for the loss of the biodiversity, the degradation of water quality, discharge of the food with significant negative impact of human health and economy. I'm going to move to you or
Okay, thank you, Egi. To sum up, population from environmental problem, it comes back to the awareness of the community around the river and the local government to avoid the net for industry to properly manage waste that is directly dumped into the river by industry. And an industry sort of waste dump faster into the river in a condition that is safe from pollution content. Continue by moderator lagi.
so that's all for our presentation. That's all we have to say. Thank you for attention. Please will ask anything about our presentation. Thank you.
Group 7, please. Group 7, Rahmat.
I would like ask question for group 8. Why is it important to prefer water?
Kalau kurang jelas boleh minta dikit ya.
Thank you.
Why is it important to preserve river water?
Jadi bisa kembali menanyakan silakan. Jadi sebelum diskusi pastikan kalian paham dulu baru diskusi duluan ya. Jadi pertama diskusinya dulu.
Mata pentingnya, kita boleh kesana.
answer the question from answer. It is important to conserve river water because it provides clean water for drinking, agriculture, industrial, and biodiversity.
It is important to preserve river water because it provides clean water for drinking, agriculture, industry, export, ecosystem, and biodiversity.
No, nggak tanya, kamu langsung main, langsung beli jawab apa? Apa pengalaman lo?
Ini bahasa awal kalimat apa? Ada depannya.
It is important to preserve river water because it provides clean water for drinking, agriculture, industry, and support ecosystem and biodiversity.
Karena pemberian jasa airnya itu untuk bisa berdampak untuk kayak industri ekosistem dalam support yang agrokultur.
Dari apa yang kamu bingung itu it produce it apa? Because
It's
provide.
provide.
Oh, provide. Provide itu artinya apa sih, everyone? Menyediakan, berarti sebagai sumber gitu kan dia sumber air untuk apa tadi industri dan segala macam gitu ya. Itu maksudnya. Oke. Oh, one more question, group 2 please. Group 2, group 2.
My name is Sarina Desa Sandra. Let me to ask, what is another type of industrial liquid waste are there beside those mentioned in the paper and in the PPT slide classification?
Ya, kalau kurang jelas boleh tahu ya.
What is the another types of industrial liquid waste are there beside those mentioned in the PPT slide classification?
Nah, diskusi bahasa Indonesia dulu. Kalau sudah betul baru diskusi jawabannya.
Repeat please.
What is another types of industrial liquid waste are there beside those mentioned in the PPT slide classification?
Boleh nggak kalau saya diartikan dulu ke yang lain bahasa Inggris? Maksudnya pertanyaannya Mbak Lavita itu Latifah di bahasa Indonesia.
Ya kamu membuat bahasa Indonesia karena memang saya minta itu kan. Dibaca dengan tangan dulu. Kalau udah benar baru dijawab. Gitu kan? Apa? Yang kamu pahami apa dari pertanyaan dia itu aja. Dasarnya apa?
Dampak apa saja yang dampak lain yang disebabkan sama yang ada di industri liquid aliran liquid.
Betul atau tidak?
Kurang tepat.
Oke, diulangi sekali lagi.
What is another types of industrial liquid waste?
Oke, stop dari situ. Dari situ Anda harus hitung ya. What is type of industrial liquid waste? Atau apa itu? Industrial liquid waste. Artinya apa? Liquid atau liquid? Cairan. Waste apa? Limbah. Industrial? Nah, berarti apa? Limbah cairan dari industri gitu kan? Terus tadi apa? What?
What
Pertama
is
apa?
another types?
Nah, what is another type? Berarti apa? Type maksudnya jenis kan? Atau people? Apa? Another apa another? Type. Nah, berarti jenis tadi itu limbah cairan dari industri apa yang lain selain yang di sini kan ya? Selain yang di situ gitu. Maksudnya suruh menyebutkan itu. Soalnya itu kan?
I'm gonna answer evaluation. Another type of industrial liquid waste is people activation, throwing trash in the river and waste liquid from fish farm.
Yang terakhir tadi apa?
Liquid waste from fish farm.
Jadi itu limbah cair industri lainnya itu dari aktivitas manusia, kemudian ada sampah yang dibuang di sungai sama limbah dari perikanan.
Hanya kalau menambahkan silakan tidak ada yang menambahkan tidak sama.
That's it for our presentation. Thank you.